What's up, everybody? Yo, check it out. Today we have a project, and it's a project that was brought to us, or it's brought to you folks on YouTube by my wife. My wife decided to run over a screwdriver. Let's check this out. Look at this thing. Dude, I don't know. That's like, oh, crappy. That's like in there this way. That's not good. So we're gonna try to pull it out. And I guess we'll see what the deal is. Like, it's in there. Alright, so before we pull this, I'm here. Before we pull this out, I've got this little tire kit here, but I've got this tool here. So if we get that out and it starts leaking, we're gonna go ahead and throw on a little thing. Oh, dude, I'm gonna put this in my Jeep because it's got a stop stem remover. Nice, that might help us in that pulling out that stuff, so that we can air down faster. All right. So, anyways, I'm gonna get these ready right here because if I need one, I'm gonna stick it in that hole right there. So, I got my tool ready. Got one of these. We're gonna pull this out and just see kind of where we're sitting here. If I can pull it out. Oh man, it's most definitely up in there. Might have to get the hammer up in this joint here. Huh. There we go. Well, folks, I don't know what to tell you. I'm pretty sure that's not leaking. I put a little spittle on there to see if it was leaking. That was basically in the tire. So it was at a pretty good angle that I don't think it necessarily punctured through anything. But in order to really test it, we're gonna go get some soapy water real quick. We'll see if it's leaking there. Alright, folks. I actually think we might be leaking just a tiny, oh yeah. Just a tiny bit. You can kind of see a air bubble there poking through. I don't know. Just ever so slightly. I mean, it is a little bit of soapy water, but maybe I'll move the Jeep so that's kind of up on the top end. Yeah, I can kind of see a little bit of a air bubble there. But definitely not much. Like it ain't like pouring out air. So I mean, it might have punctured it just a little bit, but with how much rubber's in there, it might just be kind of sealing itself off. So, you know what I'm gonna do? If I start having problems leaking air and I start losing too much air, I'm basically just gonna put some Fix-A-Flat in it. So, we'll see. We'll drive it around. We'll go rock crawling. We'll see if it, you know, I think lower air pressure is gonna squeeze that rubber together anyways. We're really not gonna have to worry about it. But just to be on the safe side, I think later on I will get some Fix-A-Flat and put it in here, because why not? Anyways, I thought I was gonna have kind of an exciting video for you guys, just to like show you how to repair a tire, but not in this video. Nitto drug wrappers. Look at that. Nitto. I need some tires. I'd like to, you know, if y'all could sponsor me. I need some tires for the Suburban too. I need some tires for the Suburban. I need some tires for that truck. I need some tires for that truck. And eventually I'm gonna need some new Nittos for the Jeep. But for now, we need some tires coming soon. Maybe some 40s. I need some 40s, 37s. I'm willing to buy some tires. I need some tires. I just need a hookup, maybe. Anyways, give me a call. But smile every day. Just smile. I mean, literally, like my wife, she kept apologizing for this, and I'm like, dude, it's no big deal. I can fix it. And if I can't fix it, we'll take it to the tire shop. See if they can fix it. Not a big deal. So it is what it is. But thankfully, no leak. Dude, that's big. Look at that. That's crazy. Anyways, big shout out to Provo Big O Tires. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way